Okay, for this activity, these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need your pencil, you're going to be given a ruler, a mirror, two little paper clip holders, you're going to be given 4 cubes, and then this sheet of paper that has a protractor already photocopied on it. So make sure you have all of those before you get started. The first thing you want to do is get the mirror, and you have these clips. So you want to open up the clips like this and attach them to the bottom of the mirror. And you'll do that for both of them like this. And then when you get them on there, then you'll be able to set the mirror down like this, and it'll hold it in place. Okay, the next step is you're going to take your sheet of paper with the protractor already put on it, and you're going to look at it and decide where you want your first line to be. So I'm looking along here, and let's just say I'm going to draw my first line at 60 degrees. So I find the 60 right here. Then what I'm going to do is take my ruler, and I'm going to put it right on the 60 mark. And I'm going to take my pencil and draw a line so that it goes from the 60 out. I'm going to make a line out away from the protractor. Okay. So now that I've got that done, my next step is I'm going to line 4 of my cubes on that line, that 60-degree line. Okay. Like that. Okay, now that I've got my 4 cubes lined up, I'm going to get down on the floor and get as level to the line as I can get, and I'm going to look straight across the top of my cubes into the mirror. And what I'm going to do is start taking the cubes, the other cubes I have left, and start lining them up so that it looks like, as I look in the mirror, it looks like I'm continuing a straight line, like it never stops. I'm going to line those up as best I can so that it looks like I've got a straight line going straight through the mirror, like that. So if it went through the mirror, it would just keep on going. If I laid this pencil down, it would just go straight across. All right? Get that as close to a straight line. Now that you've got your lines, what you want to do is, this is the side where you put your mark, where you drew your line. You want to come over here and find where on the protractor did it line up. And you'll make a mark there. And once you make your mark on whatever degree that you decide that this line is on, make the mark. You'll move these guys out of the way. And then you'll do the same thing with your ruler, like you did on the other side, and you'll draw your line. And then what you're going to try to do is figure out how many degrees was this angle of reflection. You'll start at the number that you started at, like I started at 60, and I would count over, it skips count by tens, over to the angle of reflection. Figure out what that is, and then I want you to do it one more time. Switch partners, let somebody else do it, let the other partner do it, and pick a totally different place to start, somewhere along here, okay, up to 90 degrees. Where you can see it in the mirror, up to 90 degrees. Pick another angle and then try it again. See if you get the same difference.